Hi everyone, this is Anuj Gupta coming to you from Mystic Soul Tribe. How are all you guys? So you know where I'm staying in a hill station north of India. It's finally stopped raining this morning after 48 hours of non-stop rain. So I'm glad I can be out and about. It's bright and sunny as you can see. And I can say hello to you guys. So possibly if y'all do follow the Reiki videos on Mystic Soul Tribe, then y'all are familiar with my voice. And now it's fantastic for you to put a face to the voice as well. So hello. Mystic Soul Tribe is this wonderful group, this tribe literally, uh, where we are a bunch of light workers with, who are tarot readers, psychics, Reiki healers like myself. And I'm so glad to be a part of this tribe because truly with this tribe, I feel like I found a bunch of people who truly understand me and who are like-minded. So aside from that, I also run a channel of my own called Hands of Glow Reiki on Insta. So do check that out as well. All right. So I'm sure that as I'm talking to you, you are able to hear the sound of water flowing, right? So that's water that's coming down from a lake in those mountains that you see behind me. And literally, believe it or not, on the route of that water from that lake to where I am, there are no villages along the way. There are no processing plants along the way. So we can, use that water straight out of the tap even to drink. Now, for most of y'all in cities, that may not be the case because, y'all are, you have processing plants, you have RO plants, etc., and you have many hands that touch the water. Now, why am I talking to you about water? So water, guys, has memory. Anything that has a soul, mind, and body, just like you guys do, has memory. And so does water. In fact, Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher, he conducted a bunch of experiments some time back, where he found that the water molecules rearrange themselves based on the thoughts and emotions of the person who was last in contact with that cup of water or the water that he was analyzing. And he found some startling things. Some of you may be familiar with this, some of you may not, but if you look at the image that you're seeing on the screen now, just look at the arrangement of the water molecules based on the different emotions. And I'm sure I know which emotions y'all would want in your water, right? So today, what we're going to do is we're going to energize your water bottles and your cups of water. So feel free to now pause this video, run along, fill up your water bottles or your cups of water and keep them in front of you and cup them with both your hands as you're seeing in the image. And think about an intention that you want to manifest in your lives, all right, in the 3D world. So what we're going to do is we're going to energize this water such that whatever the intention you hold in your mind as you hold the water and as I energize the water virtually comes to fruition. And how will that happen? So 70% of your body is water, right? You drink that cup of water in front of you, it goes inside you and it becomes you. So when you energize that water, it will also go inside you and you will start to take actions which will help you to manifest those desires or that wish. All right, let's get to it.
And as you hold the cup of water or the bottle, close your eyes and you set a positive intention or a wish that you want to manifest. And please hold that intention in your mind as you hold that water for the next 3 minutes. And during this time, I send you Reiki vibrations of the highest frequency so that by the consumption of this water, your wishes and intentions are manifested. Just by virtue of this energization, any negative vibrations which are already present in the water get depleted on their own. Your intentions can be really simple, such as just sleeping peacefully tonight, or larger goals that you may have for yourself and your family. Make sure that you hold the visualization of that outcome in your mind very positively throughout this energization. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed that video, and have a gulp of that water and let me know in the comments how you all felt. I'm really curious and eager to know how it worked, what your individual experiences were, because I learn a lot from seeing what you all felt. So definitely comment, share this video as much as possible, subscribe to our wonderful channel. And in case any of y'all would like a personal session, hit me up on my WhatsApp number, which is in the description, or just drop me an email, or even drop me a message on my personal Insta. Alright, so with that, I sign off. Take care. Have a great day. Thank you.